All that nasty shit. No, I'm just joking.
Get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby. You a little 48 baby.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also share this video. And for my new subscribers, welcome to Shalane's world. I am Shalane. I'm just getting up. Today is Monday, October the 3rd. I decided to stay home from work today because my head was hurting real bad. I don't know what it was. Maybe it was a migraine or something like this. So I just stayed home. And I'm just about to chill out. And grateful and blessed that I'm able to stay home from work. So I'm appreciative of that. And I'm about to call for these people right here because they parked in our driveway. I'm about to just do my sinus rinse. It could be my sinuses too that's triggering like my headache and stuff like that. So I'm about to do a sinus rinse. And I'm about to fix me a little breakfast and just chill out. I'm still gonna be working even though I'm off. I still got work to do. I got some editing to do. I got some more videos to upload. I got some stuff that we gotta do for the business. It's a lot of different things that I gotta do. Oh, I look like Mr. Peabody with these glasses on. I'm just gonna have to accept me for how it is. I didn't put my contacts in today. I didn't feel like it, and it make my nose look big. Maybe I put on the other glasses. These like Mr. Peabody glasses.
Spider, sex, yeah, 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 yeah.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. My bad, I sound a little muffled. Yeah, I know my sinuses. I'm right here cooking some chicken legs now, y'all. I mean, not chicken legs, drumsticks. Alright, almost done. They're gonna be so good. And I'm watching my video at the same time. I need to be careful because that's how I'm gonna fuck up the drumsticks. Make sure y'all go to my channel. Y'all better stop playing with the kid. Stop playing with me. No, I'm just joking. But just go view the videos. Like, comment, subscribe if you like. If not, I appreciate you just for viewing. You know, I really do. Ain't no biggie. I'm grateful and humble just for starting my own YouTube channel. And, you know, things like that. A lot of people, you know, don't want to be doing that, or, you know, just got a hard time trying to do it. But when you really don't care about what nobody's saying, what nobody think about you, anything like that, you can do anything in the world you want. So let me finish these, y'all. I'll see y'all in a minute. Just want to check in with you. Go down to my description box, click my links, my Instagram links, and check me out. And holla at your boy. All right, whatever. I'm just rumbling. Peace. I finished them, y'all. They all done. So does this look like something y'all eat? Or does this look like something you'll feed to your dog because you don't want to eat it? But guess what? Your honesty don't matter because they gonna get ate anyway. Oh, it's loud. Right, y'all got some late night cooking going on too. Some vegetables cut up. White onions, bell peppers. Making some great northern beans. MP on the pots. Yeah, y'all know how to cook some great northerns. Pork tails and smoked sausage and ham hocks is up in there. So y'all already know how that's gonna taste. And I will show you the finished outlook if I can remember. All that's going up in there. All that nasty shit. No, I'm just joking. Smoked sausage. Y'all, I'm actually vlogging on my phone because I forgot my camera, but I couldn't resist showing y'all my lunch. I finally able to get a lunch. Let me show y'all my food. I just got this from this place called Truffle Grill. It's a black owned company, and I couldn't not resist not showing y'all. So let me show y'all right quick. Y'all see that? So these are the truffle wings. I guess, I don't know, it's like some type of specialty truffled wings and macaroni and cheese and corn on the cob. It only looks so good, y'all, so I'm out the max. And I will see y'all in a minute.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Hey, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peek, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the work, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'll still say what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. They don't wanna start fake beef. Just sell a little weave in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb. They ticking me off. Say anything to get a response.
Hey y'all, I'm finally leaving work. I'm glad to be off today. There'll be a lot of stuff going on. A lot of stuff I couldn't show you or film because I was working. But I'm out. What up, y'all? Welcome back to another vlog. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also share this video. And if you're new to this channel, thank you for joining me on Shalane's World. I am Shalane, and this is my channel. Just got home from work not too long ago. I'm actually cleaning up some more, which is what I feel like I stay consistently doing. Because as I told you before, I cannot concentrate when it's junk around the house. A clean work environment keeps your mind, you know, together, open for other great ideas. Just stopped at Walgreens, got a couple of things. Not too much. I have to get some contact solution. What's up in here? Contact solution. I got a little bottle of that. Got me a water, because water is actually my favorite drink. My next favorite drink is Douce Moisture for, I use Shea Moisture for to wash my face anyway, but I never use the mask, so I'm gonna use the clarifying mud mask, and I'm gonna just use it just to you know, cleanse my face. I'm not gonna do a lot of these because using a lot of these masks can really not mess up your skin, but they can be they're very potent, so they're very strong in cleaning your skin and stuff like that, and you don't want to drain all the impurities out of your skin. So I'm just probably using one of these like every month or every couple of weeks or something like that, you know, just to keep my face and skin together. So yeah, got me one of those. Trying to go in there, I wasn't trying to go in there and spend too much. My camera won't focus. Oh, I wasn't trying to go in there too much and spend too much stuff. I just had to go in there and really give me some contact solution. I knew better, and I had some ice cream, I had some other stuff, and when I got up to the register, I told the lady, I'm like, put it back. I don't want none of that stuff. Put it back. She was like, yeah, you don't need none of that stuff anyway. So the cashier lady was with me. So that's really it, y'all. I ain't really on nothing. I'm chilling, vibing. I like being in my own little world, my own little bubble. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Ain't nothing crazy about it. Sure, you need to try it. I'm gonna probably fix me a glass of wine, which I'm about to do right now. Oh, it's cold. That's the wine I'm gonna get. I know I probably showed y'all before. Joe got one of my favorites, Sauvignon Blanc.
They do anything for clout, do anything for clout.
Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for the belly, yeah. Come with me.
Whew. See y'all, all that ripping and running and moving around. I done got hot as hell. Y'all see I'm sweating like a mother. I'm about to go wipe my face because I am sweating though. Y'all give me 1 minute. 1 minute. All right, that's better. So yeah, so as I was saying, there's just been a lot of stuff going on, so I've been really productive, to be honest with y'all. Just trying to do more editing, doing stuff for the cleaning business, doing the marketing, the advertising, the jobs that's coming through. We do got a monthly contract that we do for a school and a lounge and cafe. So we doing that. So it's just a lot of stuff that's just going on, and I'm just trying to stay focused, optimistic, regardless of like how things are looking and how things are going. I'm just trying to stay focused on the end goal, which is just trying to become financially, mentally, and spiritually strong. So like that's just the goal, you know what I'm saying? So at least just secure, you know. So that's what I'm working towards and stuff like that. So hopefully I can encourage you just to, you know, go after what you want in life, no matter what. Step out on faith. That's what I'm trying to do, at least learning to do. It's like, how you gonna believe in God and don't have no faith, right? That sounds like a whole bunch of bullshit. I'm gonna do that and just keep myself mentally strong, because this crazy world with these crazy people, you know, I don't know. I always wonder what that noise was. It's an ice maker. Ice maker over there. So that's why I need to get me a mini bar so I can put this boy over there. Y'all see how I make the ice? So I'll be dropping ice down there. So I'm gonna buy some like, you know, water bottles, and not water bottles, but like the gallons of water, so I can pour that in there, because I don't want to use tap water to go through that thing to make the ice cubes. I just want to have some clean, fresh water up in there. I don't know why I'm tired or out of breath like that. Maybe because I'm drinking wine as well as cleaning up. So just give me a couple minutes, y'all. I told you about them summer clothes in my other vlog that I'm about to put up. I'm gonna put up in my bins. So I have something. This light is weird, but I'm gonna just so I can have that all taken care of. So I'm about to do that, and then I'm gonna come back to chat with y'all some more. I think I got some other stuff to do that I'm gonna show y'all, but just give me a minute. I'll see you in a minute.
Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for the Paris, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for the Paris, yeah. Speed post, baby, and make it beat. Waves in my ass, smoking weed. Been through the sand in the G. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Light sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the process. Andre had to bounce, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for the Paris, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so sweet on Janine. Rolls Royce back in hidden bills. Bags full of $100 bills. Walking past your wife and shit.
You know, I done ran out of my Cabernet Sauvignon, so I'm about to give me another bottle of wine. Cause only a little bit in there. Ain't nobody drinking bottles of wine over here a day. And this is Jacob's Classic Pinot Grigio. So. But I'm about to snack on. Do y'all eat trail mix? It's like one of my favorite trail mixes right here, y'all. Favorite. Do y'all see my air purifier right there? That's how bad my sinuses is. Like, I do not be lying to y'all. I ain't gotta lie to you about a motherfucking thing. That's how bad they be.
I know that I'm gone. They see me blowing off. Now they say they want some. I got 2 twin Glocks, turn you to a dancer. I see 2 twin ops, leave them on a band. And I got 2 big dots, wanna link the game. I got red, I got blue, what you want?